How to use Notion buttons. Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be about how you can use Notion buttons. So let's get started. First of all, this is a new feature that Notion has added, and it's a lot of features that already are present. It is a feature through which you can add a specific function to a button and you can place it anywhere on your Notion workspace. So when you click on that button, it's just going to perform a specific job. It is going to perform a specific job. So how you can add the button into your Notion. For that purpose, what you need to do is open up your notion.so, and then what you're going to do is you are going to get yourself a new blank page. You can do it on any page that you want, but I'm just for the purpose of this video, I'm using a blank page for now. After opening up the page here, you can see that this is a section for the title, and then there are options to add different kind of things into the content section of the page. When you come here, you are going to click on this option which says more. Click on that. So when you open up a new page, what you're going to do is you're going to have an option of the title right here. Then you're going to have for the contents that you want to add onto your Notion. So here you are going to see this is an option of a plus sign. Click to add below, alt click to add a block move. So I'm just going to click on that. Okay, now you're going to see a lot of things that you can add into your content blocks. You have text, page, to-do list, etc, etc. In here, I'm going to find the buttons that I'm looking for. So I'm just going to drag it down, and from databases you're going to come on AI blocks, then you have to come on the advanced blocks. Under the section of advanced block, you're going to find this option which says button. Click on that, and here you have inserted a button. Now what you're going to do is you're going to name this button. I'm going to name my button, let's say I'm going to name it test for now, and then you can add a specific emoji or icon to it as well. For that, it is basically going to represent your button, or if you want something like, let's say this button undoes a process, you can add this kind of emoji. If it basically takes your step forward, you can do add this emoji, and depending upon the function of the button, you can add any emoji to it or any icon to it that you want. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a simple smiling emoji to it just for the representation for it. Okay, now what you need to do is now you need to assign a task to that button. For that purpose, you need to click on this option which says add a step. Now what you can do is you can add all of these things into all of these steps to your button. Like for example, you can assign your button this task, like whenever I press that button it inserts blocks, or whenever I press that button it adds a page, or edit pages and open a page. So let's say I want this button to open a page. So for that purpose, I'm going to assign that function. Then I need to select the page I want it to open. So let's say I added this button for my Evernote integration. So whenever this button is pressed, I want it to open the page of Evernote. Okay, so this is done. When I'm done with everything, open page in center peak or side peak or full page. Let's say I wanted to open it into side peak. Good to go. I'm going to click on done. Okay, now let's give it a try. Open that button, and here you can see that Evernote is open. So this is how easy it is and how you can add buttons. It is going to make your workflow, your regulation, your tasks very easy for you, and you don't have to find these content blocks again and again, these small functions again and again. You can just add a button for each function that you have. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.